We're Victor and Annette, and we're on a journey to get out of debt, simplify our lives, and one day travel full time. And this week, I started giving away all our home canned food to friends and coworkers. Now, these jars aren't just food. They represent years of gardening, preserving, and the life that we've built here. And now we're letting it go. There's something deeply personal about home canned food. Every jar represents time, gardening, harvesting, long evenings in the kitchen, the sound of jars sealing, planning for winter, and sharing food with the people you love. And for years, that was part of my identity. It was comforting and familiar and productive. And honestly, it made this house feel like home. So when I started giving the jars away, I realized it wasn't just about cleaning out a pantry. It felt like saying goodbye to a whole season of my life. Hey friends, welcome back to Fully Retired and Roaming. This week has been another emotional one around here. I feel like I say that every week. But as most of you know, Victor and I are preparing to sell our house and begin this next chapter of retirement and eventually travel. One thing I realized recently was that I still had shelves full of home canned food. And over the last years, I canned so much things like vegetables and soups and jams and pickles and sauces, all the things. And for a long time, that was just part of life for me. I really enjoyed it. But now that we're downsizing and preparing to move, I knew I couldn't take everything with us. I couldn't take it all. So this week, I started offering it to friends and coworkers. And I think one thing nobody really talks about with retirement and downsizing is how emotional the ordinary things can be. I mean, not just the furniture or the house itself, but the routines that you've always done, like the little things. Like for me, for years, without even thinking about them, I canned food every summer, and it was just one of those things, that I always did. But at the same time, there's something really beautiful about sharing all of it with friends and coworkers, and knowing that the food is still going to be enjoyed, and knowing that those jars aren't going to go to just sit on shelves, and hearing how much the people enjoy it and appreciate me giving it to them. Everything is just starting to feel more real now. Little by little, we're closing in on this chapter, the music community, the friendships, the routines, the home projects, and the pantry. But I also know something new is beginning, and that's exciting too. And let me tell you, my friends were very happy to take the canned food. I don't think I've ever seen people so excited over homemade pickles and soup. So if you've ever wondered what downsizing looks like in real life, sometimes it looks like your friends leaving your porch, your house, carrying jars of food. I think this season of life is teaching me that letting go and gratitude can exist at the same time. We're grateful for the years that we've had here. Grateful for all the friendships and the memories, and grateful for the people. I'm just grateful for the life that we've built. And now we're slowly learning how to let go of it with open hands, and that's what this week looked like around here. Yeah. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. Thank you. And so it really means more than you know to me. If you've ever downsized or retired or moved away or had to let go of a season of life, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. And if you're enjoying following our journey toward retirement, complete retirement and travel life, don't forget to subscribe to Fully Retired and Roaming. We'll see you in the next video.